everybody. What everybody do tonight? Tonight it's really cold. It's chilly outside. And what I want to make it tonight, I want to make a chili. And we got chili outside and chili inside. And I got over here already.
Hello, Bill.
I got a turkey. This I was buying like this already, turkey. With the chili we gotta make. Everybody say make something with the turkey and we make it chili. I got sweet pepper, I got the green, I got the little yellow, and I got my oil baby, and I cut already. It's a spice, my oil baby. I got a cube plum tomato, I got beans, onion, garlic, cumin, and this it's a spice. What is this?
The hot pepper.
It's a spice oil baby. It's really hot this. Now to start we go on the stove. And I want to start with the onion and the garlic. And we put the...
We will get snow tomorrow, Bill. I hope it's not too many snow at your place.
The gas on. And we start...
Hello, Lena.
Oil. Well, it's chilly outside. What I want to do, I forgot to take my stove over here. I got it right over here. And with a little wine, my wife, she was prepared to me, look, little prosciutto, salami, and little cheese. And salute e cincine everybody, and thank you so much for your support and for the staff. Thank you. Prosciutto e little wine. A salute.
Thank you. We like this pen. It's like so many things you can do.
Okay, now.
Pierogi, I think, yeah, we gotta do pierogi, but this will be like longer video little.
With the onion.
Thank you everybody for the stars and your support.
Thank you very much. Okay, now we caramelize a little bit, but already the garlic and the honey give you really good smell over here. Okay, we leave it fry a little bit this, and now I want to bring the pepper and the diced plum tomato. I got the beans and the meat, and we put it right over here. Okay, now, like I said, we do a little bit of the garlic and the onion over here. Coppo fatta, c'è bisogno zingara per divinare con c'è. Come t'ha fatta mamma te, io saccio meglio te, I know. Come t'ha fatta mamma te, I know, meglio te. A salute e cince, thank you so much for the start. Salute. Okay, now this you got to be nice color the chili. And now we start do the pepper.
Jeremy said Diana's leftovers tomorrow. Yeah, we're doing for her for tomorrow.
Already somebody, he gotta look at this, he say, oh, I'll see you tomorrow, I want a little chili.
This is a crusade pen, but we bought it like long time ago, like more than 30 years. Now they have like a new, little different style.
Yeah, this crusette over here, he got the same age like me, 30 years old. You say, I'm a 30 years old now. Yeah,
Oh,
totally.
75 degree, wow. Good for you, Michelle. 75, we need this weather.
Non c'è bisogno zingara per diventare con c'è. E come t'ha fatto mamma te, io saccio meglio te.
Yeah, this is good for you, Terry. It's all no carbs. It's yeah, soup will be ready tomorrow too.
Okay, now I'll load the gas a little bit.
70.
And what I want to do, I
good.
want to wash my hand.
Yes, today we have, it was like 25 degree only. Very cold.
Okay, now I wash my hand, and what I gotta do, I gotta use the meat. But
Well, the stars is something that you support his channel. So,
all right, now, like I said, I was washing my hand. Yeah, the meat I want to do like this. Yeah, I want to spread a little bit like that.
oh, good, good.
Marie, way Marie.
You on a diet too, Aram? How is everything going in Florida?
Quando suona verso che te. Okay, now I wash it again in my hands. Marie, way Marie. Okay, we raise it. And now we do the meat of Ma dormi, way Marie.
Good for you.
Way Marie.
Well, New York is, I think, is the same weather like here.
Okay.
We're close.
Salute, Chin Chin, and thank you so much for your support and for the stars. Salute.
Terry, she's asking, Way Marie, what it means.
Hello, Maria. Hello, Maria.
Good for you, Aram. 40 pounds is a lot. How long it took you to get off 40 pounds? Wow.
You lost the 40 pounds?
Wow. Only one.
Okay, now we can put this.
Yeah.
Okay, now we put the cumin. And this is the hot spice. Way Marie.
Good. Thank you, Cynthia. It's such an easy dish too, chicken francese.
Oh, yes.
And it's so good.
Yeah, chicken alla francese.
Thank you, Angie.
E vino alla salute Cin Cin and everybody. And thank you so much for the stuff. Salute.
Yeah, you put garlic and onion, yes. Actually, put lots of garlic, I saw.
I like garlic. A little bit more, okay, Eva?
Just brown, no?
Yeah, a little bit more. Zucchero, zucchero. The brown is not too brown, okay, got a lot of pepper.
It's okay.
A little bit more.
I know garlic is really good for you.
We use a lot of garlic. Everything we make, it's with the garlic.
Cynthia, she said her parents come from Bergamo.
Oh, Bergamo. Who is a Cynthia? You speak Italian?
Angie or Cynthia, no, I don't know. Angie maybe.
Yeah, tu parli italiano. Bergamo parlano molto bene italiano. It's Nord Italy.
No, we never had semolina bread yet, no.
Okay. Amore. Little bit more. We make sure it come out nice.
But you need to stay home, not going any place with garlic. Everybody will run away from you.
You see, it's good you eat the garlic, and now everybody say you gotta stay 6 feet away. When I go to the store, before I go, I eat a lot of garlic. Like this, everybody stay no 6 feet. He stay everybody away. And I go by myself in the store like this. And nobody around. You say, ooh, I smell the garlic over here. And after I say, I show them, wait.
Debbie, I like pierogi, bigos, and stuffed cabbage. It's my favorite.
After I told her, I said, stay away from me. You see what I got over here? And I go like this. Everybody said, oh, you got a garlic. Get out of here. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. And now, I want to put a little salted black pepper.
Yeah, it's good when you roast on the bread. It's delicious.
I put a black pepper. Okay. A little salt. It's enough. Okay, we give a nice turn now.
It's from Long Branch, New Jersey. Oh, I like the potatoes with cheese, the best one.
Now we got the diced plum tomato.
I know it's big garlic. It's beautiful garlic we bought this time. Oh, this is yours garlic. No, it's from the store.
No, no, for the store. Okay. Now.
Perfect. Send some to me, Debbie, when you do before us. We try to do the video with pierogi, but this will take like little longer time to do it unless we prepare already the dough and he explain, and then we finish up.
Yeah, we can prepare the dough.
Yeah.
We prepare the dough. Everybody know to make it, you know.
Not
Yeah,
everybody knows.
Yeah, I explained the way you gotta do, and maybe we make the pierogi.
Yeah.
Okay, now you start to boil this, and now it's a time to put the beans. These are the beans I cook by myself. It's the best thing. It's really, really good when you cook by yourself.
It's diced tomatoes. Looks good already.
Yeah. This diced tomato, it's really good. We buy it's a mutti, right? You call it, yeah, mutti. Okay, now this, we put on low. You gotta cook for 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Okay, now you got the meat, you got the pepper, and everything you gotta cook.
Well, you can use chicken if you like.
Yeah, you can use chicken, but we use this, it's a nice, the turkey. Okay, you see, we put on low, and this you gotta cook for 45 minutes. After one time this it's done, I got outside my cilantro, and we put a fresh cilantro on the top. See you like, see you don't like, it's okay. And maybe if you want to cook something else together, you can do it, okay? I want to say to everybody, thank you so much for your support, and thank you for the stuff. Salute, e cin cin, little cheese, e a salute to everybody. And thank you so much. I'm so happy a lot of people like what I make. A lot of people make, everybody said to me, Pasquale, everything you make, I make, it come out delicious, the same. It's really nice to, you know, what I'm doing. I show everybody the way I do. I know got something, you say, Pasquale, you did something. Some make a mistake. The mistake I make, it's the mistake everybody say. But I want to say it again, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. And thank you for the stuff. Salute, cin cin, and we see next time. Thank you so much.